guys, so it's me, Kiani. Today's video, I'm super duper excited to be bringing you guys this video. Oh my god, I'm going to share with you a project that I've been working on for what feels like an eternity. And when I tell you, it feels like my entire life has collapsed down to this moment. To give you guys a little bit of background, I've been approached several times about starting an inspirational blog and sharing my message from a small town southern girl to a makeup artist. And I can say that the life that I'm able to live right now every day could never rival any dream that I dreamt. I really don't even know why God has blessed me this way. However, I do feel with all the blessings that I feel like have been bestowed upon me that it's time for me to be able to share my story. So the opportunity came for me to create something spectacular and also to be able to share my story with this project. So I'm super duper excited. And if you want to see some of the works from my labors, just keep on watching. I present to you my life story in color, and these little babies are called my heritage collection. Can I tell you that this has been the most nerve-wracking, exhilarating, heartfelt experience that I've ever had to endure thus far. Yeah, there are 20 colors in my heritage collection, and I've basically chosen 20 colors that I can give you my story, not necessarily in a book, but in a very vivid colorized book. I didn't even realize how emotional I would be going through this process because it really allowed me time to think about aspects of my life that have drawn me and pulled me closer to makeup artistry and why I'm so passionate about speaking with people and being able to share my information or experiences that I've had through the art of makeup. I think that makeup is one of those things that's super duper personal because by the time that you spent your money on a product or someone's giving you a product and you try to put that into your daily routine or allow it to fit into your life, it means something to you. This is totally a collaboration with me and my family. My kids are super duper excited because there's some colors in here that they definitely inspired. So I'm going to share this vision with you guys, my heritage collection, giving my life story through, thus far obviously, through the art of makeup. Phase one of my story. You see that? So, yes, we have 20 distinctly different colors. I'm going to set these down before I make a mess. This is the way that I've chosen to tell my story through the art of makeup. I've named every color after a different phase of my life that I timestamped in my brain chronologically via color. Even more exciting news, I will be debuting this collection at the Greenville Holiday Market. And even more exciting than that, my family is going to be joining me on the road as we launch these products for myself as well as my clients, because the second tidbit is February, June, and July. I will be booking exclusive rides. These are going to be products that we're going to give my bridal clients access to. I'm super excited. I am so excited to finally be able to share this with you guys. And like I mentioned, this is phase one. There's going to be tons of questions that you guys have that I'm not going to be able to answer in this one video. But with that being said, I will be completing this series of the colors and how we came up with the colors and all the names and what's the backgrounds and doing those types of videos. But comment down below on any questions that you have. But for now, let's get into the important swatches and the names of my colors. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started.